Good morning, guys. This is Larry. We're in Villa Rica in Mirror Lakes here on another fantastic customer of ours here at WINN Pro. But what we're going to do today, we're doing some rock installation. But first, we're going to take out the old pine straw and we're going to come back and we're going to install the rock installation. But those that love hardscape and rockscapes and mulching, etc., we're going to show you how this is done on a professional and the right way. I'm Larry. This is WINN Pro. And basically what you see here this morning, we're cleaning out the old pine straw. And what we're going to do is we're going to come back and we're going to clean this out real good and maybe put a little pesticide down and make sure we keep away the weeds. We're going to come back and we're going to put a fabric in, landscape commercial grade fabric. And as we do that, we're going to go ahead and lay out the trimming borders. We already got it cut out for a 2-inch drop for the rocks. And we're going to be back and show you guys some more of the before and after of these photos. Thank you for watching. WINN Pro Turf Management. Guys, we're back at the last part of this installation, rock installation here in Villa Rica, Georgia. One of our great customers, and the fun part is here. The next thing is we're gonna go ahead and glaze the whole rock bed with some chocolate bars. This is gonna be exciting. It's gonna look good. So at the end of the segment here, you guys will be able to see the outcome.
Are you looking for a great landscape company? One that can service all of your needs? Well, look no further. Contact West Georgia's most used landscape company, WINN Pro Turf Management, where we specialize in lawn care maintenance, weed control and fertilization, landscape and hardscape projects, forestry and land clearing, and commercial ground maintenance. Or you can sign up and become one of our VIP Platinum customers. Contact our office where our customer service specialist will be glad to assist you. Our office phone number is 770-415-1131, or you can visit our website for more details, www.winnproturfmanagement.com. Always remember, your first impression is always your last impression. Go green, WINN Pro.